Good morning, children. This is Shubal sir speaking. Children, we have been dealing with the chapter 7, exercise 15, in which as of now, we have completed question number 1 and 2. So, here in this video, we are going to have a discussion on some very important question, which I've chosen to discuss today. That is question number 3, exercise 15, question number 3. Let us have a discussion on it first, children. Fill in the blanks with proper or improper fractions reduced to the lowest terms. Children, we are given some question to multiply to find the product of the numbers 2 into 1 by 5. Okay, children, this is to be multiplied or to find the product of one whole number and a fraction. So you might be thinking that as you was saying now that 2 is a whole number, so can we say that 2 is a fraction as well? Yes, children, the number 2 can be expressed as 2 by 1. Okay, so the whole number can be expressed in a form of a fraction or just by simply taking the denominator as 1, as we know that if there is no denominator means denominator is 1. So the product of 2 into 1 by 5 will be expressed in this way. We have, children, many processes to multiply, as in the previous video I have showed or I have explained how to multiply the fraction with a whole number by just simply adding repeated addition that we have done very well. So here I'll just express 2 as 2 by 1. As we all know that numerator gets multiplied with the numerator and denominator gets multiplied with the denominator. So 2 is a numerator, 1 is a numerator. So multiplying 2 and 1, result is 2. 2 ones are 2, divided by, here is the denominator 5 and here is 1, so 5 ones are 5. So the product of 2 and 1 by 5 can be expressed as 2 by 5. Alright, children, I hope it's clear. Let us try the next question. The next question is question number B. The similar process to be used, it's 5 into 1 by 8. Okay, children, so how to find the product of this number? As 5 can be expressed as 5 by 1, so 5 into 1 is 5 ones are 5, and 8 into 1 is 8 ones are 8. Numerator and numerator is being multiplied, denominator and denominator is being multiplied. So I'm getting 5 by 8, and that is only our answer. Okay, children, question number C is just absolutely similar process to be used. Question number D is also same. I just want to show you question number E, which is slightly a bit different from the previous A, B, C, D. Question number E is about 8 into 5 by 12. I'm sorry, children, it's 5 by 32. So our question is how to find the product of these two numbers. Okay, children, so 8 I'm just expressing as 8 by 1. 8 will be written as 8 by 1. Now we are going to just multiply 8 and 5 and 32 and 1. That we can simply do. But here is one thing that I must say. One thing can be noticed over here. 8 and 32 can be reduced. 8 and 32 can be reduced by a number. The number is 4. Okay, or the number is 8. 8 is a common factor of 8 and 32. Up and down can be reduced, children. So 8 is reducing 8. 8 ones are 8, and 8 is reducing 32. 8 fours are 32. So finally, what do we have, children? We have got 5 ones are 5, and 4 ones are 4. So the answer we are getting an improper fraction. Doesn't matter at all. It is absolutely okay. And as in the question it's mentioned that we can leave our answer in the improper fraction, so it is absolutely okay. Let us try number F, children. 24 into 7 by 4. 24 can be expressed as 24 by 1. Nothing means, if there is nothing in the denominator, means 1. So like here we can see 24 and 4, they can be reduced with a common factor 4 itself. 4 dividing 4 is, the answer is 1. 4 dividing 24, answer is 6. So finally what we have got 6 and 7 in the place of numerator. 6 7s are 42. It's 42 by 1. I believe it's absolutely clear. Question number 4 is exactly same pattern is given, children. Let me explain one sum from here, children. It's very simple. Need not to get confused seeing the question. It is said product of 3 by 1 by 2. How to do this, children? We'll just write 3 first. By means here into, and this like mixed fractional form will be converted into improper fraction. So 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. It's 3 by 2. So here it's 3 will be expressed as 3 by 1. So children, do not cancel this 3 of numerators. They cannot be reduced. They can only be multiplied. So it's 3 3s are 9 divided by 2 1s are 2. Now we can leave our answer like this, which is an improper fraction, or if we want we can convert into mixed fraction. So how to convert into mixed fraction, children? Divided by 2. 4 2s are 8. Subtracting, getting 1. So finally the answer can be expressed as 4. This like remainder will remain in up, means in the place of numerator, and this 2 will come down. So it's 4 1 by 2 is the answer. Children, this is how we have to deal with this kind of question. You all are being requested to try out the sums in your classwork copy and to submit in the Google Classroom. If you really face any problem to like understand or to deal with these sums, feel free to speak. I'll surely try to help. Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye, take care, have a nice day.